which markets are you opening and looking at? How do we link the production, so the big into the big channels? The Juaka buy most of the materials from this.
Few hours to talk about the business environment. Deputy President.
And then we have on the...
At the heart of transformation of any nation is value addition, processing of its products. That is the magic that our products need. And therein lies value and lies jobs.
Business should not succeed or fail based on which government is in power. Right? It should be on the basis of the plans and the programs that you have as business people and what your business plan is. And that should be the basis of rating success.